Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2019 Land Rover Discovery Sport 2-liter D180 MHEV S Auto 4WD, finished in white with a sleek black leather interior and a fixed panoramic roof that adds an open, airy feel to every drive. At the side, it features smart 19-inch alloy wheels, roof rails, and flush body lines. The panoramic roof stretches over the cabin, while electric folding mirrors and keyless entry add convenience and confidence every day. At the rear, front and rear parking sensors, and a reverse camera for easy maneuvering in any setting. Powered by a smooth and efficient 2-liter mild hybrid diesel engine, this Discovery Sport offers responsive performance, with improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, paired with an automatic transmission. At the front, the Discovery Sport showcases bold styling, a clean grille design, sharp LED headlights, and a strong stance that reflects Land Rover's rugged heritage. Stepping inside, the cabin is modern and refined, with a digital cockpit, premium finishes, and a well-thought-out layout. You'll enjoy heated front seats, a heated windscreen, and plenty of tech designed to enhance your driving experience. In terms of features, it's packed with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, DAB radio, navigation, and an easy-to-use infotainment system, keeping you connected wherever you go. In the back, the rear seats offer excellent space and comfort, making this SUV perfect for families, passengers, or long road trips. In the boot, you'll find a generous, flat load space, ideal for luggage, gear, or everyday use. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote registration PJ69KXM to book a test drive or request a personalized video tour.